Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing what I've been doing every morning this month, and it's saving $6 with my little quarter mini set. And I am gonna put the $6 in my minis bank. We did finish a couple yesterday, so it looks pretty skinny in there. And then I'm gonna grab $6 worth of prop coins. I feel like I said I was close on finishing a few. I almost mixed them. They're all 25. Literally no need to do that. All right, so let's get our dice tower ready. And this dice tower is from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Her husband Jim made that. I love it so much. Okay, so we have number 5. We've got our prop coins. All right, let's go. 2 for number 5. 2 for number 6, and go back to number 1. The black tip reef shark. 2 for number 1. 2 for number 2. 3 for 3. 2 for 4. I still think that's one of my favorite pictures in this book. And I do have 12 dashboards. I'm only using 6 of them. I think I have to roll for 5. I don't know. I did. All right, number 6. 1. I think we just finished 6 with that one. That's the only one I can remember. 3 for number 1. 1 for number 2. 1 for number 3. We have 2 left. I don't know what that is. We're going to redo that. And 2 for number 4. So we will start at 5 with my little start here bookmark. Okay. So number 1. Trying to get you out of the glare. All right, number 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. So $1.25. And number 1 is from Hannah at Prop Budgets. Look how cute that is. So we can do 5 bones, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll do that one. Oops. Be right back. All right, there we go. So we only need one more dollar, and this one will be done. All right, let's get this out of the way. So number 2 got 50 cents. And number 2 needed a quarter. I can't believe we finished it with 50 cents. All right, so we have 25, and this one is done. This is from LJ at LJ's Butterflies, and it's going to Walmart Plus. And if you ever thought about getting Walmart Plus, I highly recommend you doing it on Black Friday because it's usually 50% off, and then it's worth every penny. I don't know why I did that. So you're probably wondering why I did that. I'm wondering why I did that. All right, we need a new one. That one's done. So let's see. Ooh, circles. Let's do this one from 4 Dizzy Birds, which is Brew. Let's do red. Well, that's not red. Let's do whatever this color is. All right, so we have 25 cents, so I can do 1 circle. This is from 4 Dizzy Birds. Look at that. All right. I don't know why. Should we write Walmart Plus on this? And if you're enjoying my sparkly pen, this is from Erica at Drip by E. She's Black and Blue on YouTube, but she's slowly switching over to her Dripped by E, where she has a website and gorgeous sparkly things. Okay, so now this one goes in here. All right, number 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1. Ah, this is one of mine. This is free on my Ko-fi. Don't you wish you were there? I do. Okay, so let's do 25, 50, 75, and $1. This will save us $4. It says travel, but that's really Apple TV. And I got rid of a lot of things, but kept Apple TV and, well, we're getting Paramount Plus through Walmart Plus. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And Netflix through T-Mobile. So that's $1. So you can put $1 in here. This one's from Becca Budget, 777. So we're still evaluating things on what we're keeping and not keeping. So, all right, $1. All right, $1 going in here. All right, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1.25 going into number 5, which is good because I think it only got like just a little bit of love the other day. All right, so let's do green here today. So we have 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, so close. I'll be right back. All right, so we should finish this one tomorrow, and we're starting here, so that's good. Okay. And number 6. 1, 2, and 3. So 75 cents. And that is what we needed. Yay! We finished this cute one from Maribel, and it's going to the shark binder. Oh, we'll color it in with green. Well, that's at least, well, I have my blue here. It's just running out of ink. Okay, so let's... All right, so that goes to the shark binder. I think that's written on the other one now that I think about it. Yep. So that's done. Let's get a new one, but we can't put anything to it. Let's see, who's this one? Ooh, that's pretty. So we'll do, can't do anything. We'll start this one from Kimmy's Corner next time. All right, so let's put our prop coins away. Grab our, I almost said our winnings. I do feel like I won. So that's $4 for the shark binder and $4 for Walmart Plus. Glad I brought some ones in today. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I think $4 is my norm for this binder, so I don't know. Hopefully we'll get to use those 5s. Okay, so let's move this to the side. Grab. So we have Walmart Plus, which is all the way in the back. It's getting $4. And then I already forgot, shark binder. Shark binder. We'll get that. All right, so we can put that away. And then I am just keeping track of my completed ones back here, just so I can see at the end of the month how many I was able to complete. So that's my completed. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out, and I hope to see you tomorrow. And until next time, take care. Bye.